Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up WooCommerce for WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, WooCommerce is basically the built-in solution for setting up an online storefront within WordPress. They have made a partnership and now it's integrated into WordPress very easily. However, if you cannot find it, you can easily go to plugins and install the WooCommerce plugin right here. There are other WooCommerce plugins which help with WooCommerce. However, I'll get to that a bit later. Now, as you can see, WooCommerce is right over here, and what you're going to need to do is click on Start a New Store. Now, what you're going to be doing is you're going to need to subscribe to a business plan on WordPress, which does cost $300 per year, which is a tad expensive, so I won't be able to afford it or show you guys how to do everything hands-on, but pretty much you just click on Start a New Store once you've subscribed to it, and then you'll be able to set everything up. But as I've mentioned previously, there are other plugins which you can use. So if I go back to plugins and search for WooCommerce, you will be able to find a ton of them. Now, most of them are free with a business plan. However, some of them are paid. For example, the WooCommerce subscriptions is a paid for plugin, so you are going to need it if you want to use it with WooCommerce. Now, most of these are made by Automatic or by WooCommerce themselves, and most of them work really, really well. So I would recommend you check them out. There are a lot of functionalities which can be added through plugins, which will be very useful for you and your storefront. But yeah, all in all, that should be pretty much it. There isn't really anything else I can say. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys, but I don't have the money to subscribe to a WordPress plan. But yeah, it's pretty easy. I have other tutorials on WooCommerce, which you could check out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.